Hey dolls and dollars, I'm Shay. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, February 23rd. Tomorrow, the 24th, is Zy'Air's birthday party, and then Monday, the 26th, is his actual birthday. So today, we're gonna take him to go get a haircut. That's on the list. Haircut today. Then we have some boxes from Amazon with like the decor for the tables and stuff. So we have to open that to see what decorations they have, so we can see if we need to go to Party City tomorrow morning and get more. And then tomorrow we need to go to Party City so that way we can get the balloons blowed up. Then we need to, if we need extra stuff, we need to get that. I need to get some stuff to put inside the goodie bags. And then I have like a couple of gifts that I want to go get him. So I might get those today or I might get those tomorrow. It really just depends. And yeah, if y'all don't know by now, this is Zy'Air's birthday vlog. And if y'all didn't know, I really like, I go all out. Like, I want my kids to feel like their birthdays are special. Okay, so yeah, welcome. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all share the video. And yeah, we almost at 1K. Okay, but today's not about me, it's about my baby. So see y'all, bye. Okay y'all, so we are about to open these packages that we got from Amazon the other day for the birthday party supplies, to make sure that we have everything. Okay, so we got the cupcake holder, so we don't have to get nothing for that. We don't have to get that. Then we got balloons. That's it. Okay, what we got? Okay, we got the centerpieces for the table. What is these? What is these? Oh, the little goodie bags. So I didn't get bags. I got little popcorn buckets or whatever. So yeah, that's a plus.
What's the bag?
What's this? What bag?
In my house.
Oh, and we got the stuff for the inside of the goodie bags. So yay! How many do we have is the question though. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we have more than enough. So all I have to do really is get some candy. Don't touch nothing, son. So inside of the little goodie bags. Okay, so I got this. Right, that's one design. And then this is the other design for the goodie bag boxes. Now for the goodie bag treats, I don't know, what are they called? The stuffers for the bag, we got this. It's a little pendant. Then we got the little bracelet with all of the stuff, the Super Mario stuff on it. And then we got some little keychains. Why would little kids need keychains? I have no clue, but that's what we got. So maybe I might. And we got some stickers. So I might have to get a couple of things for the goodie bags. Maybe.
That big one.
I'll put the link for this stuff in the description box down below. I don't get paid, y'all, to share this. So, yeah, don't think y'all. It's not a paid promotion. We got the napkins. We got, I'm assuming this is the tablecloth. We got more decor. And then we got little plates. So, we got one tablecloth. And I might need to go get, like, 1 or 2 more tablecloths. So, yeah. But for the most part, all the decorations we got. So, that's good. I want to open the balloons and see. We got to go to Party City tomorrow and get these blown up. Okay, so it's all the balloons. Okay. Just making sure. Okay, let's put these back. I don't want them to accidentally get no, like, holes or tears in them.
This is my eye.
Okay, so we're done. We're about to go because I need to take him to get his haircut, and then we need to go do some last minute shopping because while Micah's in school. So yeah, I'll chat with y'all. Y'all, my boy got a haircut. Show people your hair. Okay, I just got Zy'Air birthday presents, y'all, and one of these toys makes so much noise. Like, so much noise. Y'all hear it? It's making so much noise. Now I just gotta go and buy like some bags, like some gift bags to put his gifts in. Put it in the trunk because he's in the car. He don't know. Okay, y'all, we got the haircut. We got the decorations. We just got to go get some more tablecloths. We got to get some bags for some candy for the goodie bags. We have to get the balloons blown up. I have the birthday presents. And that's it. All we got left after that is the party. So, yeah, we got the haircut already. And we got the birthday presents. And we got the decorations. So we still got a couple more things on the list, but we'll do that in the morning before the party. And then, oh, and we got to get the cupcakes. Hey, dolls and dollars. So right now we are on our way to Party City. When I say we, I mean me and Micah. We're on our way to Party City so we can get these balloons blown up and so we can get the tablecloth and the stuff for the goodie bags. And then after that, we're gonna go get the cupcakes. So y'all stay tuned for that. Oh, we need to get some candy. We need to get some candy. Is there a basket up there? Go get a basket. So I got 2 of these. And then I'm probably gonna get 2 of those because they have chocolate, or either 2 of those, but probably 1. I feel like 1 will do fine, right? I don't know. I don't think we need all that candy, especially because it's expensive. Yeah, I don't think we need. I'm gonna just get 1 of each. They don't have that many options in here. So this is what we're gonna get. We're gonna get 2 of these. We're gonna get these 2, and then we're gonna get the candy, and then that should be more than enough. Here this girl go. She was vlogging for her own channel, but as y'all can see. Okay, y'all, so we got the balloons secured, the rest of the party bag favorites secured, the last little bit of decor we needed, which was the tablecloths, secured. So now all we got left is the cupcakes and to actually like get everything set up and put in the trunk. So that's it, y'all. Next time y'all see us will be at the party.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her.
So we got him some birthday cards from Burlington. So we're gonna write like individual little notes on it, and again we're gonna give it to him on his actual birthday.
Car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster.
Hey y'all, the cupcakes have been secured.
Yeah, y'all.
And it was like really a process because let me tell y'all, we had to freaking, maybe I should have left that on. I don't know, but we had to get us a dang on Sam's Club card, and that was $50. And y'all, now I gotta shop at Sam's Club because I got a card. We finally got the cupcakes and the cake, so That's one less thing for me to worry about. Oh!
The crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me.
Y'all, it is always something. Tell me why the number balloon deflated and a couple of other balloons deflated. So I'm really like at the point where it's just like I don't even want the balloons no more. The whatever balloons didn't deflate, we'll just use those Monday to set up his little table or whatever. I'm just so sad. Like, it's always something. But yeah, I'm currently loading the trunk right now. I put the cake for Monday in the refrigerator. The cupcakes still on the table, but I'm gonna put those in the car in like a little while whenever we're about to leave. So that's that. Right now I'm putting everything in the trunk, and yeah. Y'all, look at the birthday boy. He is knocked out. He done. But we at the park right now, so he about to get up. The party was a success. So this is really like the end of the vlog for real. But I still have like the little snippet towards the end of his actual birthday and what we're doing on his actual birthday. So that's the end, but this is like it's gonna be like really short, like not super short but short enough. Okay, so yeah, I'll see y'all at the end. Okay, come on. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Duty. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Oh. What did Micah get you?
That's all wacky.
That's for the tub. That's for when you take a bath. What else did Micah get you?
A soccer ball.
Yeah, but what else did Micah get you? She got more stuff in there.
Okay. Oh.
What else did Micah get you?
This one?
No, in her bag.
Ah.
It's a card. Let's see what the card says. Let's see what the card says. It says, happy birthday, All-Star. And then the inside says, look. Says, happy birthday, Zy'Air. I hope you have a good birthday. I love you. From Micah. You've leveled up and now it's time to celebrate. Hope your day is epic and that winning birthday feeling lasts all year long.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Micah.
Thank you, Micah.
Now this is from me. Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh. Oh. These papers out of the way. Look. I got this.
Do you remember that?
It's a finance.
Yeah, you asked me for that when we went to the store. What else did you get?
Oh, it's heavy.
It's heavy. We'll get this one first.
Yeah. Look, it's Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, that's what you asked me for, right? What else did you get?
This one.
Yeah.
It's Mickey Mouse.
This is what you asked me for. Is something else in there?
No.
It's another card.
I can't get it.
You gonna open it?
Okay.
You gotta pull the card out.
It's the Paw Patrol.
It's Paw Patrol. What does it say?
It says happy birthday.
Uh-huh.
It says happy birthday.
Let me see. Cause what are you reading? Happy birthday to